Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Welcome friends. This is a 32-inch assembled LED TV. Here in this TV the complaint: no display due to backlight related fault. While checking here you can see total 3 LED backlights are there. Each individual LED backlight is of 3 volt. While checking we found that among this 3 backlight strips 2 of them are working. While dealing with backlight related fault, I should always recommend to replace the entire backlight with new LED sets. These are the 3 new backlights. Now we going replace it. This is the only permanent solution for this fault. So that's, hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.